Hello, my fellow Nigerians. Gani Adams asking Yorubas to forge common front to savage Yoruba race. Gani Adams charges Yoruba leaders. The Ààrẹ in charge, the Ààrẹ in council, a body of a form of all the chiefs of the 15th Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Iba Gani Ige Adams, has called on Yoruba leaders all over the world to come together and forge a common front. The council made this call in a statement issued and signed by the Baroyin Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò Ṣọlá Ọ̀ṣúnnẹ́yẹ, following conclusion of its quarterly meeting held at the weekend in Ikeja, Lagos, and chaired by the Yoruba Generalissimo Iba Adams. The council, while speaking on the parley, which deliberates on several issues relating to the development of the Southwest and the East people, said it was high time Yoruba people, both at home and in the diaspora, joined hands to ensure that the Southwest was not relegated to the background in the scheme of things in the country. It equally called on Yoruba leaders to come up with structures that would engender lasting peace, economic buoyancy, and good governance in Yoruba land. Yoruba leaders should join hands to put in place structures that will ensure security, buoyant economy, good governance, and food security in the Southwest, it said. The Ààrẹ in council added that the leaders should rally Yoruba intelligentsia to come up with strategies and policies that will take care of the welfare of the people and eradicate poverty from the region. The council, while commending Iba Adams for his dogged dedication to the promotion of Yoruba culture and heritage, urged the governors of the 6 Southwest states to make the teaching of Yoruba language compulsory in all secondary schools across the geopolitical zone. The body reiterated that its call for the restructuring of the country, maintaining that regionalism remained the only option to put Nigeria in the right path to development, just as it expressed its readiness to work with the governors of the 6 Southwest states on security matters to ensure that every form of criminality and insecurity was stamped out of the region. We resist our call for the restructuring of the country. It has become obvious that regionalism is the only sure-footed route to Nigeria's development, the statement said. Speaking further, the Ààrẹ in council commended Obas in Yoruba land for their dedication and purposeful actions aimed at promoting Yoruba culture and heritage, urging them to join hands and form a template that would provide leadership for the Southwest region. Members of the council also restated their commitment to defend the interests of the Yoruba race anywhere and everywhere. As members of the Ààrẹ in council, we remain committed to the defense of Yoruba race anywhere and everywhere, the council said. The meeting witnessed a large turnout of members of Nigerian and in the diaspora, and among the chiefs that attended the meeting, both physically and via Zoom, are the OC, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Gani Kayode Balogun, Parakoyi, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Professor Kolawole Rahim, Gbonka, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Gboyega Adejumo, Báróyìn, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Ṣọlá Ọ̀ṣunkẹ́yẹ, Ọ̀tún Báróyìn, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Ṣẹ́gun Ajíbóyè Bámọ̀fín, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Kẹ́hìndé Olúwọlé and Bámẹ̀tọ́, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Hakeem Ademola Ige. Also at the meeting are the Atolóyè, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Babájídé Tanímọ̀ọ́wò. Aṣojú Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Barrister Yínká Ògúntìmẹ́yìn. Bárẹ̀jírò, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò, Dáúdà Àsìkòláyé, Yèyé Ọpẹ́lúwà, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Chief Mrs. Esther Oyèbọ́lá. Akínlúwà, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Ọláwálé Man. Agbaoyè and Agbakin, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land. Others are the Akíngbàyí, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Victor Adéwálé, Yèyé Gbáreniyi, Ẹniọlá Owólabí, Túnaraṣe, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Alhaji Gani Wahab. Bameso and Yèyé Bameso, Alhaji and Alhaja Utukoya. Agbakin, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Chief Adesanya. Bala, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Moshood Aderoju, amongst others. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. That in Yoruba land, they have to sit right and do the needful. Unlike when the Fulanis came and took Ilorin from them. Now, they cannot boast of Ilorin. In the comment section, hear what some of our own they are saying concerning this issue. My brothers and sisters, they should be careful of what they are doing and what they are saying. Gani Adam himself, you see the right Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, he shouldn't have been the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, because we don't see what the impact is doing in that Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò post. Says another one. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. That we should be up and doing so that Nigeria will move forward. All this issue of hunger, hardship, suffering in Nigeria should be stopped. The president should come to the poor people's aid, the masses' aid. In comment section, you are free to say your opinion. Subscribe to this channel. Share love and like. God bless Nigeria. Thanks and God bless. Amen.